In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update DocuSign account email. If you recently changed companies or simply want a different sign-in address, you can update the email tied to your DocuSign profile in a few secure steps. We'll start at the DocuSign homepage. Open your browser, go to DocuSign, and sign in if you aren't already. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen for your profile picture or initials. Click that, and choose Manage Profile to open your account settings. Inside your profile, find the email address section and click Update. Because changing an email can affect access to agreements and notifications, DocuSign may ask you to re-authenticate. Follow the prompt to log in again, then choose Continue to proceed. Next, DocuSign verifies that you're the account owner. Check the inbox for your current email address and find the 6-digit security code DocuSign just sent. If it's not in the main inbox, peek in spam or junk and give it a minute in case of delays. Enter that code back in DocuSign to confirm your identity. With your identity verified, you'll see a field to enter the new email address you want to use. Type it carefully, double-checking for typos, and click Send Code. Now switch over to the inbox for that new address and open the message from DocuSign containing the verification code. Copy the code, return to DocuSign, paste or type it into the verification field, and click Verify. You may see a final confirm or similar prompt. Go ahead and accept to complete the change. After verification, DocuSign may refresh your session or sign you out for security. If that happens, just sign back in using the new email. Your existing envelopes, templates, and completed documents stay exactly where they are. You're only changing the contact address. If you use DocuSign on multiple devices or in a browser and a mobile app, update the login there too. That's it. Your DocuSign account is now associated with the new email. From now on, sign in using the updated address and expect future notifications to arrive there. If you don't receive a code at any point, use the option to resend, confirm that you can access both the current and new inboxes, and check that safe sender or filtering settings aren't blocking DocuSign messages. If your account is managed by an organization, an admin might need to approve changes, so reach out to your internal support if you run into restrictions. You've successfully updated your DocuSign account email, keeping your agreements flowing to the right inbox.